Well, now to our Facts Not Fear coverage of COVID-19, and your day is coming. Step by step, Ohio is working its way through the population to get us all vaccinated against COVID-19. Next week, we're going to move on to Phase 1B. 10 TV's Brittany Bailey explains how that will work.
Here at the Schottenstein Center, the space is being transformed into a COVID-19 vaccine clinic. Starting next week, you can get the vaccine here if you're in that Phase 1B category and by appointment only.
You know, we're all anxious and eager to get more vaccine, but we're really at the mercy of the federal government at this point in time to distribute that vaccine to us.
Starting next week, we know that Columbus Public Health will be getting around 600 doses, and Franklin County Public Health will be getting around 500 doses. More will go to hospital systems and pharmacies. In all, there will be 72 providers across Franklin County. That round of doses will be specifically reserved for the Phase 1B recipients, starting with those age 80 and older, then 75 and those with severe congenital or developmental disorders, then those 70 and older, and some K through 12 employees, and then down to those 65 and older.
But I can assure the public that the 600 doses that we're getting next week for Phase 1B, will go into the arms of those who are 80 and older. So we will be doing Phase 1B and Phase 1A simultaneously as long as vaccine supply is there.
And that's an important note here. Phase 1A is not being left behind, and neither are those who need those second doses. More of that supply also is on the way.
I think the bigger message to carry is that the only way out of this pandemic and to get back to real normal life is with vaccinations or getting the virus. So I think vaccine virus, I'd rather get the vaccine.
All of our local healthcare experts agree that the biggest issue facing us right now is the supply. Columbus Public Health Commissioner Dr. Myshika Roberts says right now we're really at the mercy of the federal government, but everyone is determined to use up every last dose we get. Reporting in Columbus, Brittany Bailey, 10 TV News.
And there are many ways you can make an appointment to get a vaccine if you are a part of that group, that 1B group. You can sign up through your doctor or your healthcare system, Kroger or Giant Eagle, or your health department. So many ways to do that. Now, if you live in Columbus or in Westerville, you can call Columbus Public Health at 614-645-1519. If you live in Franklin County, you can call 614-525-5225. We're going to put that contact information online with this story. Just go to 10tv.com.